Window Installation Fayetteville, Arkansas is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. With a variety of window-style options available, including energy-efficient windows and vinyl window replacement, residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Window installation experts in Fayetteville provide comprehensive services, ensuring that each installation is performed with precision and care. Our services also include top-rated replacement windows Fayetteville homeowners rely on. Energy-efficient windows Fayetteville are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Fayetteville window contractors offer a range of energy-efficient options, including double-hung windows and custom window solutions, to meet the specific needs of each homeowner. For maximum performance, we recommend pairing them with our premium replacement windows Fayetteville options. Vinyl windows Fayetteville, Arkansas are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. They are an excellent choice for homeowners seeking affordable window replacement options. Vinyl window replacement not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of a home but also provides long-lasting performance. Window installation experts in Fayetteville ensure that each vinyl window is installed correctly for optimal results, and we proudly include vinyl replacement windows Fayetteville customers prefer for durability and value. Double-hung windows Fayetteville offer a classic look with modern functionality. These windows are easy to clean and provide excellent ventilation, making them a popular choice for residential window services. Fayetteville window contractors can help homeowners select the best double-hung windows for their homes, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless installation. Our catalog includes beautiful double-hung replacement windows Fayetteville residents appreciate for their versatility. Window installation services in Fayetteville are essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of existing windows. Whether it's window frame installation, window glass replacement, or window leak installation, skilled professionals in Fayetteville can address any issue promptly. Regular window maintenance services can extend the life of windows and prevent costly replacements. We also specialize in replacing aging units with high-performance replacement windows Fayetteville families depend on. Custom windows Fayetteville, Arkansas provide homeowners with the opportunity to create unique window designs that complement their home's architecture. Fayetteville Window Design Consultation Services help homeowners explore various window style options and select the best custom window solutions for their needs. From window measurement services to installation, Fayetteville window contractors offer comprehensive support. This includes expert guidance for custom replacement windows Fayetteville homeowners use to express their style. Home window upgrade Fayetteville can significantly enhance a property's curb appeal and energy efficiency. Affordable windows Fayetteville, Arkansas are available in various styles and materials, allowing homeowners to find the perfect match for their budget and aesthetic preferences. Window replacement benefits include improved insulation, reduced energy costs, and increased home value. Our replacement windows Fayetteville services are designed to meet these goals efficiently and affordably. Window glass replacement Fayetteville is a vital service for homes with damaged or outdated glass. Replacing old glass with modern, energy-efficient options can improve a home's comfort and security. Fayetteville window contractors provide expert window glass replacement services, ensuring a seamless fit and superior performance. These solutions are often part of our comprehensive replacement windows Fayetteville packages. Residential windows Fayetteville, Arkansas are available in a wide range of styles and materials, catering to the diverse needs of homeowners. From traditional to contemporary designs, Fayetteville window contractors offer a variety of options to suit any home. Window installation reviews highlight the quality and reliability of services provided by the best window installers in Fayetteville. Many satisfied clients praise our replacement windows Fayetteville for their beauty and efficiency. Looking for the best window installation Fayetteville has to offer? Our team of window installation experts provides top-notch residential window services, ensuring your home is equipped with energy-efficient windows. Whether you need vinyl window replacement or custom window solutions, we are the window contractors Fayetteville residents trust for quality and affordability. We also offer a wide range of replacement windows Fayetteville customers count on for long-lasting results. Upgrade your home with our affordable window replacement services in Fayetteville, Arkansas. We specialize in double-hung windows and vinyl windows Fayetteville, Arkansas homeowners love. Our window installation cost is competitive, and we offer detailed window replacement quotes to fit your budget. Discover the window replacement benefits with our energy-efficient windows Fayetteville solutions, including top-tier replacement windows Fayetteville residents choose for superior performance. For those in need of window installation services, our Fayetteville window installation services cover everything from window frame installation to window leak installation. We also provide window glass replacement Fayetteville services to restore your windows to their original condition. Our window maintenance services ensure your windows remain in top shape year-round, especially when combined with our dependable replacement windows Fayetteville services. Explore our Fayetteville window design consultation to find the perfect window style options for your home. Our window measurement services guarantee a perfect fit, while our window sealing services and window insulation Fayetteville, Arkansas solutions enhance your home's energy efficiency. Trust our window hardware replacement and window maintenance Fayetteville services for long-lasting results, all made even better with our wide selection of replacement windows Fayetteville locals recommend. Read our Fayetteville window replacement reviews to see why we are considered the best window installers in Fayetteville. Our custom windows Fayetteville, Arkansas services cater to unique home window upgrades Fayetteville residents desire. From window installation Fayetteville, Arkansas to window sealing Fayetteville, Arkansas, we cover all your window needs, especially with the best replacement windows Fayetteville has to offer. Choose our window contractors Fayetteville for reliable and affordable windows Fayetteville, Arkansas solutions. Our window installation reviews highlight our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Contact us today for window installation Fayetteville services and experience the difference with our professional window design consultation and window insulation services. We're proud to provide premium replacement windows Fayetteville families rely on for comfort and style.